Let's see how to add reference in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to cite this particular paragraph, and we can do that by adding a reference. And to add a reference, simply click on the References tab, and here, click Insert Citation. Now click on Add New Source, and this window will pop up right here, which says Create Source. And from here, you can choose your source type, which can either be from a book, a journal article, a report, or a website, and many more. And you can modify your citation by manually typing in the author, the title, when the reference was published, the year, the city, as well as publisher. And from there, simply click on OK, and that will change your highlighted text into a reference. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.